In today's video, we're diving into the best multi-timer apps for Android that can help you manage multiple tasks at once. If you're looking to boost your productivity and keep your timing on point, let's get started. Multi-timer StopWatch. Multi-timer StopWatch is a versatile app designed for users who need to run multiple timers simultaneously. This app allows users to create and manage an unlimited number of timers, making it ideal for various activities such as cooking, exercising, or scheduling tasks. The user-friendly interface lets you customize each timer with specific names and colors, helping you easily differentiate between them. Additionally, Multi-timer StopWatch offers features like countdown alerts and the option to run timers in the background, ensuring you never miss an important notification. This app is perfect for anyone seeking an efficient and straightforward multi-timer solution. Multi-timer plus StopWatch. Multi-timer plus StopWatch is another powerful app that caters to users needing multiple timers and stopwatches. With its intuitive design, users can easily set various timers for different purposes, including workouts, cooking, or reminders. The app supports customizable settings, allowing users to label timers and choose unique sounds for alerts. One of its standout features is the ability to save preset timer configurations, making it easy to recall frequently used timers. Multi-timer plus StopWatch also provides options for running stopwatches in parallel, which is great for timing different activities simultaneously. This app is ideal for those who appreciate flexibility and organization in their timer management. Kitchen Multi-timer. Kitchen Multi-timer is specifically designed for cooking enthusiasts who need to manage several timers at once in the kitchen. This app allows users to set multiple timers for different dishes or cooking stages, ensuring you never overcook or miss a crucial cooking step. Kitchen Multi-timer features an easy-to-navigate interface where users can quickly add timers, customize their names, and set alert tones. Additionally, the app provides helpful cooking tips and resources for preparing meals. This app is perfect for anyone who spends a lot of time in the kitchen and wants to streamline their cooking process with effective timer management. Thanks for watching. We hope this overview of Multi-timer StopWatch, Multi-timer plus StopWatch, and Kitchen Multi-timer helps you find the perfect tool for managing your timers. Until next time, happy timing.